I'm glad to announce that I've finally been able to get PHPStorm and Xdebug working together when it comes to debugging a web page as a web page instead of as a command line interface PHP script. Because if you just follow the general directions for debugging using Xdebug and PHPStorm, what you're most likely doing is just debugging using the command line version of PHP running on your remote server. When I say remote server here, it's because I'm running VirtualBox on a Mac, and that's my development environment. So let's take a look over here at PHPStorm. Okay, I have two configurations. One is for running the join.php script using the CLI mode I just mentioned, and then run join in web as another configuration. So let's look in here. Okay, my run join in web looks like this, and my run join in CLI looks like this. So originally the problem that I had was that when I tried to connect, like by doing run join in web and then clicking debug. Okay, by the way, I have another screen here where it shows the script running in the web browser. Okay. What it would do is when I go and click on debugger, okay, I'm going to show you what it looked like by running this script all the way through. Okay, all right. Yeah, it would just keep saying waiting for incoming connection with IDE key 15915. Okay. And then, nothing would happen. It wouldn't reach any of the breakpoints, but the page would load. Well, to fix this problem, I found the solution on this article. Okay. IntelliJ. Okay, it's on IntelliJ support JetBrains. This is the URL. Now, this article talks about Vagrant VM. However, I'm not using Vagrant. I'm just using the VirtualBox by itself. But what caused me to arrive at this article was this right here. Error running debugger port is busy. And I had gotten this error message from PHPStorm when I configured port forwarding on my VirtualBox. Well, what this article said is there's no need to do port forwarding. And I think it was the advice of this guy right here. And what really got it to work, actually, if you do port forwarding, it won't work. Okay. But what did get it to work was adding this line right here. xdebug.remote_host equals 10.022. Because that's how my Macintosh, which is hosting my VirtualBox, that's what the IP address appears to be from inside the Ubuntu Linux running inside the VirtualBox. So this part was important. The other part that fixed it is, he mentions it here. Yes, the other thing that really fixed this, when I tried to connect with PHPStorm, it told me it was basically connecting, but it needed me to do some path mappings. And actually, the paths that it gave me were the correct ones, but I needed to check a checkbox that said use the configured server's path mappings. And then it worked. Okay, so now it works. I don't know. I can't say anymore. It just works. And actually, I just showed you it working. So that's it for this video. You know, I've been working on this for maybe like 30 hours and this one website actually gave me the right clues, and after, you know, brainstorming it. But I'm not even sure. Like that path mapping thing, I don't know why it worked. You know, that one checkbox? I had already tried, you know, that IP address with the 2 2s in it, and that didn't work before. But this time, you know, all the little pieces were in place for it to work. So I'm glad I have this video because I never want it to not work again. All right, bye.